Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a video in PowerPoint. So once you're inside your PowerPoint presentation, whichever page you're on, all you have to do is ensure that you click on insert. Now, once you're on insert, look towards the right and you will find video. Click the drop down there, choose this device, or you can choose to get something online. So if you choose, for example, online, you can easily access such as YouTube, Vimeo, or even SlideShare, right? So you just want to enter the link and go ahead and insert that. But let's use the one from our PC. So click on insert, then choose this file, and you want to find a video file that you have on your PC. I'm going to go ahead and insert a file here. So I'm going to choose, for example, this video here and click and insert. And you will see that it embed the video right in the Google Sheet. And as you can see, it takes over the entire page. So if you like it like this, fine. Otherwise, you can use any one of the corners and resize the video to your liking, and you can move it around. To play it, you'll find the play button right here. Or if you're on your presentation, you can just simply tap the space button and it's going to play just like this. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and insert video in PowerPoint.